Hello everyone, welcome to Mech-In-Tech. So in this video we are going to see order by keyword. So the order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. The order by keyword sort the records in ascending order by default. To sort record in descending order, use DESC keyword. So now we will see order by keyword in practical. So I will write one query, that is select star from employee. Now you can see we got the result. Now what I will do, I will try to sort salary by ascending order. So now what I will do, I will just specify order by salary. So if you didn't specify anything, only if you specify like order by and column name, then by default it will sort the record in ascending order only. Now let's see. See, our salary is now sorted in ascending order. And if you want to sort salary by descending order, then what you have to do, you have to specify DESC. After column name you have to specify DESC, then you will see like salary will shown in descending order. See, let me do one thing, let me copy this query. Now I will run both the queries, then you will understand the difference. So very first query is ascending order query and second one is descending one. So if you see first query we are having 30,000 first, and in second, as we are sorted it in descending order, so greater salary is like 60,000, so 60,000 comes first. And even you can specify ASC for us, it means it is ascending order. If you didn't specify, then also it will take ascending order by default. See, I hope you are clear with order by. Thank you.